Howdy guys, in today's video with TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at how to set the scale of objects and shapes using your cut property bar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the cut property bar, and I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to setting the scale of a shape or an object, there's different ways to go about it. You can obviously just scale it by grabbing these points, but let's say you needed more exact measurements. So if you're working on a strict design, and they telling you this part of the shape has to be exactly the scale because it has to fit on, let's say, a window or something in that line, then you would want to use your cut property bar to set the scale. Now, the cut property bar is located on the top left here. You can set its visibility by going to View, Cut Property Bar, and you can see it's got a right mark. If that right mark is not there, like here, then it will not be visible. And you simply just click on it and it will bring it back. Now, to set the scale, you will see it's next to the location. We've got these two little arrows. It shows an arrow in both directions. That's for setting the scale. So we've got horizontal and vertical scale, and then it is in millimeters. Now, something to keep in mind about this, it's obviously you will have to have a shape selected that you want to scale. So as we change shapes, you can see the scale there also changes. So if I have this shape selected, and let's say we want to round this off, then you can simply go type in exact values you want. So I'm just going to remove the point here. Let's say it's 414, and then we make this 139. You remove that, press enter. Let's try that again. Okay, so I'm going to rather just go simple. It's not liking my measurements. I'm going to go 400 millimeters. We've got our lock on, that's why. So let's try that again. So we go 400, and then this one I'm gonna make maybe 3, or what is that, 35. Then I'll just zoom out here. So now if we click the shape here, 135, my apologies. Now we can see we've got exact measurements here. So there's no points, no extra values behind it. So you can change this to whatever you want, scale it. Let's maybe make it quite a bit less, so just we can see the update on the canvas. So you can see it is actually changing. So now we have a shape here that is the exact same measurements as what we desired. So if, like I mentioned, a client or something wants the exact measurement, this is the way you're going to do it. So you're not going to grab here and try scale it to the exact measurement, as that's going to be a bit hard to get the exact measurement. As we can see there, it's just added a point decimal. To get this to 0 or exact amount is very hard. 400, make it 20, and then yeah, we've got our exact scale. Then to the right of that, we've got the percentage signs, which is rather simple, but we will cover that in the next video as this one's running a bit long. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.